One of the reasons we're in the problem we are today is because there wasn't regulation over credit default swaps. The Fed, the Treasury both said these things should not be regulated, and insurance regulators didn't regulate them either. So as a result of that, you had this large portion of the financial system which wasn't regulated and obviously got out of control. I don't think anybody would disagree with that. So our point is everybody should be in the pool. Whether you're an insurance company, a large hedge fund, if you have the potential to create systemic risk, somebody should be looking over your shoulder at the federal level. On top of that, or I guess in addition to that, we believe that their federal regulation of national insurance companies would benefit consumers and help support this view of systemic risk. So that we're regulated in 50 states. If you're a small state-based insurer, you should have a state regulator. That state regulatory system is very good for small companies. It's not great for large national companies. We introduced a product that took us 3.5 years. Get Your Choice Auto rolled out to 80% of the country. 4 million people have bought that product. You should be able to do that in a year, right? It shouldn't take you 3.5 years. So you shouldn't have. So we don't believe that the current system works well from a systemic risk standpoint. We don't think it works well from people having the skills and capabilities to look at large companies. We do think the existing system works very well for smaller companies.
But this was something that Allstate and a lot of other insurers were quite interested in doing even before. I mean, the optional federal charter has been at the top of the insurance industries, or much of the insurance industry's wish list for quite a while.
It's been on the top of many people's list. It was particularly at the top of the list when they thought that meant less regulation or they could kind of do what they want. That's not what the current bill that Congressman Royce and Bean have put forward, which is a real regulator, which we think is fine. I mean, we understand we need to be regulated because people have to buy our product in the personal lines business. We're okay with that. We just think that a more effective and efficient way of doing it when you're a national company would be to have a federal regulator as opposed to 50 individual regulators.